at a time. So. Bro?
What?
I'm recording again, so let's restart this. And this is only going to be for wireless connectors. I shall make another video for different redstone builds. And how to use screens and stuff.
Guys,
probably tomorrow.
Welcome to a Penguins video. I am the special visitor. I am Verdict. I am on the screen right now. Go
Verdict
subscribe
VR.
to this guy. Verdict _ VR 196.
Yes.
Today we're gonna teach you how to use the wireless wires, and wiring. So
let me do the intro. Let me do the intro. Okay.
Okay.
So
first,
what he said.
Yeah. This video is sponsored by Average Monkey. Okay, guys. I'm gonna.
Is it sponsored by Average Monkey?
Yes. Go buy his merch.
Wait a minute. Let me check something.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna teach you. Okay, guys. I'm gonna carry on. Recording. I'm just gonna carry on. I'm just gonna carry on while he's doing something. He's gonna do some stuff.
So
I don't know.
He's gonna show you how. Well, actually, I'll show them the thing which the second. You have to get the this out.
Yeah, you need to buy this, and then you're gonna want to buy, one of these. Each are 300, so you're gonna need a total of 600, but you need to buy some more stuff in order to actually get to them. So yeah.
It'll probably be a total of 800 from what you guys probably have right now. Bro, I am showing them how to do the first part.
Alright, sure.
So we place this.
Yeah.
And since there are other things in this map that are using this color of wireless receivers,
you need to paint it.
You're going to color it whatever color you want.
Yeah.
But then you need to color.
Yeah, but hold on, let me tell you something.
Then you need to color. Your thing.
Okay, you guys
there the same color.
Yeah. So yes, dude, can you point the camera at me?
Yeah, you take the camera. You take the camera because it's your.
Okay, guys. So Penguin placed this wrong. You're supposed to. So as you guys can see, this is a connection cable. So you're gonna turn it around and point it to like one of these connections.
Or you can see on the bottom there are two
on the
connections.
Yeah.
One on the bottom, so you can.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Next, I'm gonna tell you how to. I'm gonna tell you how to use doors. Like everybody already knows how to use it. But we're using wireless for this type of episode.
This one is only for wireless connectors. Well, yeah, you should teach them how to use doors with wireless connectors.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably the same as the screens.
Yo, can you go make a deal with Bill Cipher real quick while I teach them how to do this?
Make a what of Bill Cipher?
Okay, guys, he's making a deal with Bill Cipher right now. I'm gonna tell you guys how to use this wireless receiver. Dude, I need a camera. I accidentally ate the camera.
Oh, you accidentally ate my camera. I'm making a deal with Bill Cipher.
Sorry, guys, it was a pretty tasty snack. Okay, guys. You're gonna place a wireless receiver in the front, but if you're gonna want it, like not to be seen, you're gonna place it in the back. Or if you want, you can hide it with wood. It's like a really good strategy. And then you're gonna.
I'm back. I made a deal with Bill Cipher. He gave me money.
Okay, fine.
To open up a hole in the dimension. What?
Okay, guys. Now you're gonna press. You're gonna grab a wireless transaction.
I opened up a black hole.
Transactor.
By the way.
God, but and then you
Hello. Hello.
And then you could. So if you want, it's really.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry. You're gonna pay. Oh, you're gonna
place.
You're gonna grab that.
I'll show them.
Yeah.
You're gonna
and now
the other things in this map that are using.
The other one's the same color. Now and then the door opens and you can walk through.
Also,
turn this upside, and then the other thing. I'm gonna die though, but yeah, I have to do this quick. And you're gonna want to place one of these blocks. So now, when you press it, you could see. As you can see, it doesn't do.
And also, guys, bro, it paused.
But yeah, you're gonna press. You're gonna.
Pretty bad. Pause. Bro, it stopped.
Oh no, it didn't. No, it didn't. It's still recording.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the end of my video.
So honestly,
I know shall make some more videos. Probably tomorrow. And right now it is 9:13.
But yeah.
I will see you later. And sorry for the bad quality. Verdict's PR died. So
Later, verdicts.
bye guys. See you another time.
Some footage might have been lost. But bye.